Hello guys, this is the People's Brand live and direct right here in Oshakati, and we are going to be giving away this beautiful washing machine which has been won in one of our competitions that we're running. And if you have been tuning in, you know that this was running and we do what we say. So come along with me as we give the washing machine to its rightful owner. Watch this face. So let's see the face behind the big win, our biggest win for 2025. Come on. Ayo tale ke tukupulupulo bashona hashi obengone wa competition ayo yetu inga yala ne shwana shude ni gobe kucha uditenge kenanena eshwa bena eshinalo inga
do bitenyanya nda pandura nda hafa shashi nichi mwana naye onda pandura rera do bitumbo no bitenyanyu nda hafa rera shoshi onda bena shoshi onda ngande chimwana no shoga nje mwene ucha nda bena
Mekuro wakenda bala ikandu ngapi mutu nenge owudangipi o competition ayikucha yatamekele
ndaka badara ikandu jiwara bandi kuja hamu bem dai mondi katare mo kuja ndira kutucha ba ite dikatare kuja handi bene ile iteven ngashinda zimoga ya pandu nyene ndacha tangi kandari nde chinekera kandari nde chitura tangi
Oshwana tashilongwela shike kombinga ya classica ngenge tashiane kokuvena otobalongwele ngepi toba kuma itashi
andi alongwela atetin ya kwetwa holiki tuningeri shetachi popu atachivenga mbira mwike esiku yetalia chito ubene uno sunye uno roroka uchawara kupa kwetu mbiri mwike wara ukaroroka wa vena mwana hauto ayo ivena tandire nikarunga ireni uchanyasha irenya holiki
ya roshede atu kambadalane tuli patulula tumulukile ngo kucha yes it's true shiringo kamoto papera ngo tete so before we make this toast to this beautiful amazing winner of ours right over here, we are going to let her see this washing machine and to really prove that yes, it's true, we do mean what we say, and this is the People's Brand for a reason. So yes, here's your washing machine. Olelinga mekuru, olelinga patulanga waka, ulitare ngona wa ngove mweni. Uliwete meku. Yalo.
kutara nishoto tarangero chiringa uno kutara maishe omungairi ngairo mbise mungairi shaka muno mipangiro nitakosho uto chiringa no mungairi
2, 3
go.
Merry Christmas.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Iya. Iya, kayak naruh koholi.